Hi folks, good morning. Welcome back for the next part. So we are heading for a small drive, so that's the plan. We will start moving and we are in the same place actually, like I said in the last part 1. So we are in Western Wood Resorts itself. We had planned to take a small off-road. A couple of them went already early, so I'm just going a little slow. Just took a little bit of more nap and the other folks are coming back, so we are heading. And this is the resort, you would like to already know. So Sanket is getting my motorcycle, so he's just gonna come, then we'll take it up from there.
ನಮಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆ ಗೇಟಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ?
ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಬಿಡು, ಥ್ರಾಟ್ಲು ಫುಲ್ ಥ್ರಾಟ್ಲು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಡಿಸಿ, ಹೊಡಿ 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 ಹೊಡಿ, ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. ಕಮಾನ್ ಕಮಾನ್, ಬರತ್ ಇದು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಳ್ಳಿ, ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ತಳ್ಳು ತಳ್ಳು, ಬಾ ಬಾ, ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಬಿಡು, ಬಾ 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 ಬಾ, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಾ, ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಬಿಡು ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಬಿಡು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೀಕು ಗಾಡಿ, ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೀಕು. ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡು, ಫುಲ್ ಥ್ರಾಟ್ಲು ಕೊಡು, ಫುಲ್ ಥ್ರಾಟ್ಲು.
ಒಂದೇ ಅಡಿ ಹತ್ತಿಸ್ದೆ. ಈಗ
So we ripped off Tilak's tire. My tire also will go, and Kranti did it very easily, like in just like 2 legs.
ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಂದ. ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ, ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸರ್ ಬರ್ನೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಸರಿಯೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರ ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಇವಾಗ ತಿಲಕ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ನೀವು ಓಡ್ಸೋದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಆಫ್ ರೋಡು
ಮಚ್ಚಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬಾ. So look, see how Kranti will take this motorcycle very easily. And is not even owning the motorcycle. Macha, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ಸೋ. ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಡೌನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಹಂಗೆ.
ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಈಗ ನಿಜ ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬರತ್ತೋ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಡಿ.
So after a bit of off-roading, we are going to have breakfast. I just changed my jacket because I was super sweaty, so I just changed it. So let's go and see what is there for breakfast. And Adventure 390 for off-roading isn't the right motorcycle, so please think many times as possible if you want to buy the Adventure 390. Probably it's not the beginner motorcycle, I would say. I wouldn't say that it's a bad motorcycle, but probably the skill of the rider has to be much more to ride this. So yeah, let's see what's there for breakfast. We have dosa, chutney, some sort of aloo bhujia or something, one rice, and then sweet. Look who's here.
Hi.
ಮಾತಾಡೋ, ಯಾಕೆ
ಅಭಿ
ಅವನ್ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಶುಂಠಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್.
ಏನು ನಾಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೇಳ್ದೆ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೇಳ್ದ ನಾವು
ಹೇಳಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸೇಮು. So folks, we came to a small place to do swimming, and Santosh is making kindle of me because I'm vlogging. See.
Tick.
So time to play some music. I'm not going to record that because I'll have copyright issue. So let me show you the view. Just give me a minute. So yeah, let me get up, and this is the view.
ಹೋಗ ಮರೆ ನಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ.
This is how it flows. There it goes.
ಇವಾಗ ಬರತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಭಿ.
And everything, so we played like clearly nice and everyone got wet. I was only clicking a lot of videos. I had to take some videos because someone has to capture the memories, right? And meanwhile what happened is after the adventure thing that I just showed you, so go ahead and check what exactly happened to the motorcycle. And it has to look in this way, right? That has to be the way for the adventure touring motorcycle. My bike has never been so much dirty, but I love that. Like, it shows that KTM DNA of being dirty of motorcycles, and Tilak's bike is also very similar. So this is how it's looking, and yeah, well deserved. And now it's time for us to go and grab some lunch. So we'll just go to the kitchen and see what is there for lunch, and I will show it to you guys as well. All right, See ya. So time to go for lunch. What do we have for today? Let's see. You know? Full silent Akash. ಏನದು ಅದೇನಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ಗ್ರೇವಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಚಿಕನ್ rice biryani this is curd for me, this is rice for me, rasam, paisa. So that's what we have for lunch today. Let's go out and grab and eat.